making Santa Hat Protein Brownies. Add 3 large eggs and 100 grams of maple syrup to a mixing bowl and mix until they triple in volume. Next, add melted dark chocolate, make sure it's not hot to touch, then whisk until fully combined. Place a sieve over the bowl, then add chocolate orange impact whey protein and plain flour and sift these in. Add 1 squirt of vanilla flav drops and the zest of 1 orange. Then add melted coconut oil and mix until fully combined. Pour the mix into a round tin and smooth it out to the edges, then bake for 18 minutes. Let it cool fully before slicing into 6 triangles. Pipe on vanilla buttercream icing to turn the brownies into Santa hats, and that's it. Enjoy! What's up guys, today we're going to be making reindeer protein crispy bars with 3 main ingredients. First, melt butter in a saucepan on a low heat, then melt the marshmallows, stirring constantly until fully combined. It should be nice and gooey. Turn off the heat, then add 170 grams of Myprotein Rice Krispies. Pour these into the saucepan and mix them with a wooden spoon until they're fully coated in the marshmallow mix. Line a dish with parchment paper, then pour the mix into the dish and press down with the back of a wet spoon or the base of a wet glass. Refrigerate for 45 minutes. Decorate with edible eyes and icing pens and they're ready to serve. Enjoy! Protein fudge with just 3 ingredients. Add 175 grams of Myprotein peanut butter, 175 grams of milk chocolate protein spread, and 1 squirt of toffee flav drops to a saucepan and stir on a low heat until melted and smooth as shown. Pour the mix into a small dish or tin lined with parchment paper, then smooth it out to the edges with the back of a spoon. Freeze for 2 hours, then slice into pieces and top with festive sprinkles if you wish. Serve straight away and store in the freezer. Enjoy! What's up guys, today we're going to be making a chocolate protein pastry snowflake. Start by cutting your puff pastry in half, then place an 8-inch disc over the pastry and carefully cut out 2 circles with a knife. Dollop on chocolate hazelnut protein spread and smooth it out, leaving a 1 cm gap around the edge. Place the other circle on top of the spread, then place a circular object in the middle and carefully slice into the centre. Twist each section, then press the ends of 2 sections together as shown. Repeat this with the rest of the pastry. Brush with egg wash to make it golden brown, then bake in the oven for around 20 minutes. Dust with icing sugar and serve warm or cold. Enjoy! Here's how to make a Christmassy protein latte. Add milk and iced latte flavoured coffee boost whey protein to a shaker and shake until no lumps remain. Pour it into a saucepan and heat on a low heat until you reach your desired temperature to drink. Make sure you don't heat it too high. Pour it into a glass, then top it with whipped cream if you wish, silver and gold festive sprinkles and a gingerbread man to finish. Enjoy!